Hello viewers, welcome back. In this video we will discuss focus assist. How to get rid of distraction and get focused while working on laptop. When we are working on laptop, so we see a lot of notification popping up and how we can get focus. So sometimes we easily distracted. So use focus assist, which is also called quiet hours, an earlier version of Windows 10. Now how you can use this focus assist? You will need to click here in this action center below in the right bottom corner, and from here you have to click this priority only, but it won't work like that. You have to enable this and then click right, go to setting. In this setting you can play with it. Now priority only, if you want to disable it, so you can do it from here also. It's on now, priority only. So you can customize your priority list. You can add some more customization. For example, it shows that calls, text and reminder show incoming calls, so you can disable this. Reminders, regardless of if used people, you can add here the contacts, that these contacts, when they are contacting me during my focus time, so they are allowed. Apps, you can add and remove apps from this focus assist when this focus assist is on. Similarly, you can also select a specific time for it. During these times, for example, you say that only during these times this focus assist should be enabled. When I am duplicating my display, when I am playing a game, when I am using an app in full screen, so you can on and off all these options. You can also enable this option that show me a summary of what I missed while focus assist was on. So you can do this. So this feature is also very good, and you can prioritize your thing, and then during that time when this focus assist is on, so you will not be disturbed and you can do your activities and tasks smoothly. Hope you like the video. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.